hamster on the street. But yeah, I'm excited to try it, bro. We'll see. You know, it should be coming in today, so we'll see how that lift goes. Right now. All right, what we think off open? Maybe a sell-off? Maybe inversion short. I don't fucking know.
Who knows what market wants to do?
What's up? What's up, Apinder? Yo, yo, yo. I'm thinking maybe. Actually, let me move. 4 hour looking kind of bullish. Not really. I don't know. We're selling off after like that 1 hour tap though, so maybe 1 hour tap, sell off maybe into these Asia or London lows potentially, something like this, maybe. I mean, we just fucking sell off, I'll just send it short, bro. Something like this. If we close below. Nope, we did not. Yo, yo, what's up, Yaiku? What's up, what's up? How y'all's morning going? Oh, wait. There's that fucking short. Fuck. Fuck. I fucking missed it, bro. Anyways. We had the right call, but I didn't like that closure, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, we're just selling off. Holy shit. Nah, I missed it, bro. I literally called this shit too, but yeah, we didn't get it. What up, Zabra? Yo, 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 morning. Bro, wait, this was a free 100-point trade, guys. Fuck. ES is kind of, he didn't take it yet, so I mean, yeah, SMT now though, but fuck, that was a free call. That was a free trade, bro. Markets are moving kind of wild now. We don't have any other targets for a while, bro. There's literally no other target. Short. I don't like shorts that much now, just because we don't have targets. Dude, there's literally no other like area that we could target. Maybe this 5 minute. Maybe even this 5 minute I don't really like, just because it's so far down. Alright, well, I think the only other trade potentially that could pop up is if we kind of do something over here. So obviously see how we react at this inversion. If we somehow manage to close back above, I would like that a little bit better. I honestly would prefer longs now after we swept this, but ES over here kind of didn't sweep these lows, so I don't know if ES wants to continue selling off or NQ decides to push off from here, so we'll see. Because if we don't respect this fair value gap and we close back above, we're just gonna send it longer. We're just gonna send it high. But if we somehow manage to hold this area right here, this gap, then maybe ES is gonna be able to slam down. Big area though. Oh shit. Okay. So maybe we don't close back below. What up, Kenji? Yo, yo, yo. Okay, well, it looks like we might be bullish now. You caught it pre-market? You caught that move down? Or you took a trade pre-market? Morning, y'all. Okay. Okay. Bit of a... Oh, you caught that move down? Nice. Yeah, that was a pretty free read. I looked away for half a second, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I like that trade. I mean, everything was kind of screaming short, but I missed the trade. Whatever. I think we go long here though. Like look at all this liquidity we have now. Like look at all these highs that we have over here. Look at all these highs that we have over here that we could easily target, right? So I think I'll get ready to enter long if we close back above right here. I'll wait for like the next candle open to see if we flip back bullish. So like this next candle, yeah, like if we continue pushing, yeah, all right, I'll take a stab. So basically what I'm looking for here is, I mean, obviously we didn't close back above, but I like kind of that move up. But basically what I'm looking for is maybe go and break even at this internal high. So, you know, obviously scale out a little bit and then try to hold to maybe these highs up here. Something like that, you know. Technically, the proper entry didn't happen yet, right? You'd have to wait for this closure on this candle. But I kind of went in a little bit early. I like that move, so we'll see. Hopefully, we don't run out of steam, though. Kind of just blast through here, but we'll see. Put my stop below here, maybe. Oh, yo, what's up with that move? I'll give it a retry if we get stopped out. Like I said, I didn't wait for the proper entry. Yeah, or sorry, NQ is kind of dragging us down. We're not really too bullish on NQ, but ES is kind of trying to push, so we'll see. Stop is at 25,000. Don't lose for the stream, please. All right, so this is the legit closure, but I hate this candle, I'm not gonna lie, but it is a good candle. So this is your like proper entry right here. So this is like, this should be your entry. To be honest, I would move my stop below here now, because like if we revisit this low, I would not be interested. So now like this would be like the legit trade, and obviously if we somehow get to here, that would be the break even. Bit choppy now though. I don't like that move. See, I don't like when we flip up and then just immediately flip back down, you know. I hate this type of PA. Like when I'm trading, I like fluidity in terms of like, so you get like a nice strong candle closure right here, right? You get a nice strong candle closure right here, but then you get fluidity. You get like nice continuation. But yeah. All right, so there's break even. Just go break even right now. Scale out TP1. This should be TP1. So don't try to, I mean, market conditions aren't too great right now, and obviously if you go break even, you might get stopped, but it's better to have risk management in place than to get wicked out or stopped out. So that's why you scale out a little bit TP1 and then try to hold runners if you can, if we somehow manage to blast up, because I do like all this liquidity that we have over here, right? We have all this like low resistance liquidity that we should be able to hopefully hit, but TP1 should be in place already, because not like all this liquidity built up, it should just like kind of blast like very aggressively higher, like a cascade effect basically. Like if we gotta swing a high right here and we take it, then we should go for the next swing high because it's not much further away, and vice versa, or not vice versa, but like also over here, you know, over here, right? I expect it to be kind of like a rocket, right? That just fucking blasts off. At least that's what I'm expecting with this like structure right here. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, how many of y'all are trading a Lucid right now? You guys like Lucid so far? Let me know if you guys came from Lucid or that Lucid video. Lucid, Alpha, Apex, My Fun Futures, Tradeify, which platform? Yeah, Zodiac. Yeah, Lucid is the new go. Dude, I'm loving Lucid, bro. Lucid is the new go. Yeah, you can trade 5 funded accounts. So obviously, if you get 5 funded accounts, if you're trading the flex account, right, 50% withdrawal of that. Obviously, I don't like the 50%. Like in the video, I told y'all I don't like the 50% withdrawal rule, right? But yo, what's up, guys? What up, Fitush? Yeah, I don't like the 50% withdrawal, right? But there is the, you know, obviously it is a $65 account, which is nice. And imagine that with 5 accounts, right? So 5,000 and you withdraw 2,000 every time. That's 10,000 plus another 90% profit split. You come home with 9K, bro. That's pretty fat. Who guys? This long was so good, but I was coming home from work quickly. Yeah, this was a free long. It was a little bit sketchy at first. I'm not gonna lie, Who guys. I entered a little bit early. I didn't wait for the closure, but see, so you see this like big bullish candle. This is exactly what I was expecting with all this low resistance liquidity right here, right? You guys remember how I was saying like I wanted that like rocket ship effect, right? Or like this that super bullish candle. That's kind of what we're getting. So okay, honestly, if ES takes this high, internal high up over here, I'll be a little bit careful. I'll scale out a little bit more right here. So if ES takes this high over here, I'm scaling out just a little bit. Because I'm just I mean, we have a ways to go on ES for sure, but I'd rather just be safer than sorry and just scale out a little bit. Obviously the max TP I would say that y'all could go for is honestly like London or Asia high, bro. Like London or Asia high works. Okay, let's look at the RR in this trade actually. So I got in over here. It was on this candle, but like to be fair, this was the proper entry. What would the RR be on this bitch? Okay, so if you hold for London, bro, that's already a 4R. And if you hold for fucking Asia, bro, that's a 7R, bro. If you hold for Asia, that's a fucking 7R, bro. This is a beautiful trade. So I think ES just took it. No. Okay, ES took the high. I'm gonna scale out a little bit more. What up, Franklin? How you doing, brother? We got a banger trade going on already, bro. Okay. So honestly, I might scale all out though. I don't know if I'll hold for stream, but I'll scale. Okay, I scaled out a little bit more. I went on 5 micros right here, but I'll scale full out if we hit 21 or sorry 157. So 157 I'll maybe hold or try to hold 2, but I scaled out like 90% of my contracts already, 80% technically, but I'm all out basically. I'm just holding 1 micro now. See if we get to this high. Anyone take this long? Anyone like that call? So if you guys missed this trade, right? This could be a potential re-entry spot right here. Yo, what up, Sam Trades? Yo. W call, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I took it on the small eval CFD. Nice. Hey, Fugas, which CFD prop firm is that? Is it like FTMO or something? Or because like I always hated CFD prop firms, bro. The fucking base price for that shit was always so fat. It was like always hella expensive. Oh yeah, this was what I was saying. It's like if you guys miss your entry, like this could have been like a little re-entry spot right here to ride back into these highs. W trade 1.5k on eval. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, Zabra. Let's go. That's how we do it. Hey, is that the flex account, Zabra? Is that the Lucid Flex one or what? Let's go, brother. Hey, if you guys haven't gotten an account yet, use code MONK on Apex, Lucid, Alpha, Tradeify. Bro, I tried doing like an affiliate partnership with TakeProfitTrader, and I was gonna do a review on them, and they're like, "Fuck no," and they rejected my application. I'm like, bro, what? Trading with Quantical and Breakthrough, but it was when I was trading GPB USD, but safety profit from 100 or 100 better than futures fund because you have a max drawdown of 10%, and all you need is one W big one, and then you need complete trading days with 0.01 lot for 2 days. Oh, okay. Dude, to me, that's just like, that's like top step to me, bro. I don't, cause like, so I be seeing a whole bunch of YouTubers, no hate to them, right? But I be seeing a whole bunch of like young YouTubers as well, like kind of like my age, right? Where they're trading prop firms, but they're going for like these fucking 40,000 days or 20k days and shit, bro. Like with like if they're going like they got 5 funded accounts and they go like they make 5k each account, right? They're going for these home run plays as soon as they activate their Top Step account. Brother, I'm like, I mean, good shit on them, but like at the same time, that's, I don't know if I like that type of trading style, bro. Like, I don't know if it's like sustainable, bro. Think we'll see previous day high. Becoming funded on CFD is way harder. Yeah, that was my biggest issue. I never got funded on a CFD prop firm. Let me see. Sam Trades. Do I think that we go for previous day high? I mean, it's possible, but I just don't like where the higher time frames at. I think. Let me check. Let me double check for you. All right, I'm all out there actually. I just scaled that all out. I'm all out there. So this was my full TP. Oh shit. I'm all out there. Fugas, nice. Good shit, Fugas. Hey, what? Hey, how many of y'all took that? Put it in the chat if you guys put it. Put it in the Discord so I could review it for you guys. We'll take a look at it. Put your trades in the executions tab in the Discord. Make sure you guys join in the nice execution, brother. Wait, was this NQ? Oh, it is. Okay. Nice trade, Fugas. Let's go, brother. Oh, so you waited for the flip. Okay, nice. Good shit. Good shit, brother. Zodiac, you took it as well. Nice. Good shit, brother. What up, Vo? Yeah, you took. Hey, Vo, you took this shit too, or what? Hey, Vo, you took this, huh? What up, Isaac? How you doing, brother? Yeah. So this was a pretty clean read. I would say this is like an A+ setup. So now we also have like an SMT at these lows too, right? So this was like an SMT. So we had hella confluences for this trade. TP at those highs, nice. Hey, so how many of you guys are still holding though? Who's still holding, bro? Cause like let me double check. Let me quickly check if we could go. Okay, you know what? So who asked to see if we could go to Sam Trades? You were asking if we could go to these previous days highs. Honestly, it looks good now. Cause look at the 4 hour. We're bouncing off of this 4 hour, right? This new candle closes in 13 minutes. So the new 4 hour candle. The new 4 hour candle closes in 13 minutes. Meaning, if we close right now, like within these 13 minutes bullish, obviously we pushed up quite a bit. Then the next candle, I expect the next 4 hour candle, I expect to do something like this where we kind of sell off for a little bit and then explode back up. I could definitely see previous day high, previous week high for sure. Actually, I kind of like that. So I think that's the new game plan, or not the new game plan, but like kind of what we're gonna be expecting, right? Is just more continuation towards these highs. So I think it's possible for sure. So I mean, if you fucking wanted to hold all day, go for it, bro. But I'm all out. You already sold half your position, Isaac. Nice. Yeah, just fucking hold runners. Hey, I'd say make sure you trail though if you want. Maybe secure some more profits. If not, I mean, just keep it break even. You're good. SMT 4 hour fair value gap, V-shaped recovery, universal port your account, sell your car, your dad, your mom, your dog. Hey, exactly, bro. Exactly, brother. You get it, bro. You understand. I like that. UGG for another longs. I feel like great. What They'll send you an email, Sam Trades. They'll send you an email on how to activate it. Last week you had 1K subs, now you 1.27. Let's go, brother. Hey, thank you, Zabra. Thank you. Hey, it's funny because I found the secret clickbait formula. That's why you guys, when you guys watch my videos now, there's always that like 5-10 second intro at the beginning. It's because you need that like retention at the start, and then that's also why my YouTube thumbnails look so clickbait, bro. Like, it's actually funny as fuck, bro. That's why it looks clickbait as fuck. All right, let's check out Zabra. Nice, Zabra. Hey, Zabra, did you get in on the flip? I know we closed right here, right? But then obviously I would wait personally for it to flip back up. Did you wait for the flip back up, or wherever you put right here is what you got filled at? So at the bottom of this next closure right here. Did you get in right there? Fucking beautiful though. Yeah, because like look at this shit, bro. Like, look at my clickbait ass titles, bro. Because like before I didn't really like make thumbnails. Like I mean, I'll make thumbnails here and there, but like look how ass it is, right? Look how bullshit and ass it was. And then you go up here, no more core plan. Top step at my fun for you shit. Like, it's the most clickbait shit ever, but hey, it works. I don't know. Cause like at least I'm having fun making my thumbnails now. I'm like looking forward to like come up with some clickbait thumbnail. Before I was like, fuck, I don't want to make a thumbnail. Beautiful day. I just ended my 9 loss streak. Yeah, I could do some clickbait stuff like that too, you know. Got better fill, but I entered right when IFEG. Oh, okay, nice. Nice. Okay, so we're selling off aggressively now, which is which makes sense. I wouldn't say I didn't expect it, but this was, like I said, this was the area where I did sell all my contracts, or where I did scale all out, because basically just like it was, I felt like maybe Asia high or London high was a bit of a reach for a Monday, right? It was kind of too far away because we'd have to push like a 380 points total. So far from this low, we pushed about 230 points, which is nice, right? But I would say the only way I potentially see all the way up there is if we can maybe inverse this. So like this is my new condition right here, is if we kind of somehow manage to close back above over here, then I would look for longs again. But until that happens, I'll probably just stay away from it and just kind of chill and see what happens. But yeah, overall this was a nice, beautiful trade. Not much to complain about. ES is selling off pretty aggressively, bro. Like we're inversing everything, like inversing this, inversing like this almost, right? So I'll be a little bit scared of longs right now, so I'd say stay away if you aren't long yet. If you are already long, just wait, you know, you're good. Like let it hit break even, or you know, let it hit TP, you guys are good. But make sure you are break even, just so you don't get cheese, right? But for shorts, my music is a little bit loud. Hold on. Yeah, but for shorts, I would say I just don't like, because like I feel like we already completed our objective for shorts with this opening move. So with this opening move, I feel like we already completed our objective, but I don't know. Maybe we reshoot for these lows. But this was kind of what I was saying, right? With this new 4-hour open, like this new 4-hour candle, I want it to like close strong, right? I want us to close back up around like 180-ish area. So that way, because like this sell-off was what I was expecting with the new 4-hour open, right? And then you push back up, but we're kind of just selling off right now instead. So yeah. We'll see. I mean, so now we swept this internal low. Not necessarily a sweep, but we kind of hit the internal low. Like if we close below like 90 right here, like 25,090, then I could see a short for a little bit. I don't like shorts, to be honest, still, but It definitely could work. Okay, so I'll also post my trade that I took today for y'all. That I'll do something like this. Did anyone watch the Super Bowl yesterday? Or is everyone from a different country? So I don't know. What country is everyone from right here? Real quick, just a quick, just to take a quick glance. Anyone from the U.S. who watched the Super Bowl yesterday or no? Is it just me? I know a few guys from the Netherlands, but where else we got everyone from? Okay, we're bouncing off this fair value up here though. But like I said, I'm maybe like interested in longs again if we manage to close back above over here. Southeast Asia. Nice. What part of Southeast Asia? Komang. I'm trying to guess with your name. Maybe like Komang. Like maybe Thailand? I don't fucking know. I have no idea. Okay, like this would be like the re-entry I'm maybe looking at. Bali. Oh, Indonesia. Oh shit. Oh, what's up, brother? You living in? Okay. I gotta visit over there, bro. I gotta visit. Damn. Yeah, he lives in Bali, bro. Bro, this price action is so weird, bro. Yeah, like I said, if we close back above over here, this could be a little like re-entry spot. I don't like it too much though, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like just because we're so high up already, but definitely could work. Like then you would go break even like right here. But we'll see. I don't know. What I do like, I guess what I do like about this trade though is like we did sweep this like internal low, right? So we did sweep this internal low. So we swept this internal low right here and starting to push off, get nice strong candle closures, I guess. So we close back above. There's a nice break-even point for us right here as well. And they try to hold for these London highs, I guess. And we also, yeah, so it's not too bad. But yeah, this is not what I'm liking because like now this fair value up's acting as very like heavy resistance now. We're just selling off very aggressive because from here. But yeah, W's today. We took a fat dub. I'm gonna go ahead and update the Discord on that W, but I might come out with a new video today. I don't know if it'll be a trade recap or some more clickbait prop firm news, because like I've been wanting to do more prop firm related news, like so just like updating y'all on like the latest news, because Tradeify just came out with some crypto shit, like a Tradeify crypto not a brokerage, but you could trade crypto now or something like that, like, and you have to join the waitlist. But like that sounds interesting as hell, bro. I mean, I don't really trade crypto, but yeah. Hopefully y'all got in this trade. If you guys did, bro, just go ahead and post it in the chat so you know we could go ahead and see. Where is my Discord? yeah, just go ahead and post in the Discord so we could take a look at it. You know, share the dubs, right? If you guys want it. This was my execution, so I got in on over here on this candle right before my green little circle, but I got in while over here. Took a little bit of heat, took a little bit of drawdown, but it was a nice trade overall. I'll be back tomorrow. This is gonna be it for me. Took a nice one funded trade. That's it. We're not gonna be too greedy, but yeah. Make sure you guys use code monk everything. I appreciate it. Thank you. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your guys'